Is eating every 3 hours really the secret to losing weight, or just a myth? Today, I'm going to reveal the truth no one tells you. Don't go anywhere because what you're about to discover could completely change the way you think about dieting. For decades, we've been told that eating every 3 hours boosts metabolism, controls hunger, and helps with weight loss. But does this practice work for everyone? And most importantly, what does science actually say about it? In this video, we're going to explore the benefits and drawbacks of this habit, debunk the concept, and show you what truly matters for losing weight effectively and healthily. If you've tried following this recommendation and felt confused or frustrated, stay with me until the end because I'll share practical tips to help you adapt your eating routine and achieve the best results. The idea of eating every 3 hours emerged as a strategy to avoid extreme hunger and prevent overeating during main meals. This practice was widely supported by nutritionists in the 90s and 2000s and quickly became a golden rule for those wanting to lose weight. The main argument is that frequent meals keep the metabolism running fast, but is this really true? Recent studies have shown that basal metabolism, essentially the number of calories your body burns to stay alive, is not significantly affected by meal frequency. In other words, what really counts for your body's calorie expenditure are factors like age, muscle mass, physical activity levels, and even hormones. The frequency of meals has far less impact than we once thought. But hold on, this doesn't mean that eating every 3 hours is a bad idea. For some people, especially those who feel hungry easily, this practice can help maintain control and prevent those infamous hunger attacks that lead to binge eating. Additionally, small meals throughout the day can help keep energy levels more stable, especially for those with busy routines or who engage in intense physical activities. Imagine, for example, you're at work and go hours without eating. When it's finally lunchtime, you're so hungry that you end up overeating. Eating more frequently can be a solution to avoid this type of behavior. On the other hand, eating every 3 hours can be a significant challenge for many people. This practice requires planning, discipline, and even more time to prepare several meals throughout the day. Moreover, if your food choices aren't appropriate, eating frequently can lead to an increase in total calorie intake, making weight loss more difficult. For instance, if you choose snacks high in sugar or processed foods, you're just feeding your body empty calories without providing the nutrients it truly needs. Not to mention that for those who don't feel hungry frequently, this practice can cause discomfort and even anxiety due to having to stick to rigid schedules. So, what's the truth? Science has already made it clear that the most important factor in losing weight isn't how many times you eat per day, but rather the calorie balance, consuming fewer calories than you burn. Studies have also shown that other approaches, such as intermittent fasting, can be just as effective for weight loss, proving that there isn't one magical formula for everyone. What truly matters is the quality of your meals and how they fit into your lifestyle. Eating every 3 hours may work for some people, but it's not a universal rule. If you want to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way, here are some practical tips to get started right now. Prioritize natural, nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Listen to your body's signals. If you don't feel hungry every 3 hours, don't force it. And, of course, seek guidance from a professional to create a meal plan tailored to your needs. At the end of the day, the best diet is the one that works for you and that you can maintain in the long run. Don't cling to myths or rigid rules, and remember that balance is the key to success. Now it's your turn. What do you think about eating every 3 hours? Have you tried this practice? Did it work for you? Or was it a challenge? Leave your comment below. And if you want more tips on weight loss and health, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with anyone who also needs to know the truth. See you in the next video. Until then.
Attention! Lose weight quickly and healthily with Nagano Tonic, a revolutionary 100% natural powdered supplement that aids in weight loss and the elimination of excess fat. Inspired by the traditional health practices of Nagano, Japan, Nagano Tonic is your solution for a lighter and healthier body. Check out the official Nagano Tonic website. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment. Visit now and discover all the benefits of Nagano Tonic.